got the idea now. Look out, Kevin.
What if you can think of a better design?
Open it.
Thinner leather.
Dump them out. Open it and dump. There you go. Set it down. Rifle.
I hope I don't have to use it.
But you know, it's the old story, like the guy told me in Michigan.
God, I couldn't get it.
Better have it and not have it than if you have to use it and you don't have it.
Number 3. 4. Okay, open it. Set it down. Pistol.
I should get me one of those 22 Weaver guns.
I think so, yeah. They put about 20 shells in it, too. For some reason today, I think two stages of what?
That's it.
Having a mental block. Must be thinking about going to Wednesday, drinking wine or something. That's down to my mind is what it is.
Okay, put it down.
Gotta be.
Shotgun over to the other table. Put 2 more in.
Good.
Top of those. That's good.
Yeehaw!
It's open, so just